Hi, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. You could be doing so many things, but you have taken your time to be here present in this video. I know your time is so precious. I will not waste your single minute. I will do my best to give as much as value as possible. This video is going to be about 30 minutes. I highly suggest you watch till the end because it might change your financial future. These are the three things we are going to cover in this today's video. Why selling on Amazon is a perfect business model, how this business model works, and how you can get started today. So why should you listen to me? I have been selling on Amazon since 2014 end, and I have started my first sale on 2015 February. Since then, I have been getting payments from Amazon. Can you see this Gmail screenshot? I get payments from Amazon 2 times every week. You can see the dates like March 25th and March 26th, March 18th and March 19th. Amazon sends two payments, one for cash on delivery, another one for prepaid orders. These payments will look like 1,51,866 rupees, the other one like 2,29,402 rupees, 2,39,612 rupees, 2,28,363 rupees, 2,19,437 rupees. I will get these kind of payments every week 2 times. Think about it. How would it be? Your life will change if you get these kind of payments like 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs every week from Amazon. Think about half of it. What happens if you get 1 lakh rupees every week from Amazon? Just think about it. See, this is my Gmail account. I'm just logging in to show it is not a simple screenshot. It is my own account. These are all the 23rd is my recent payout, and 9th and 16th and so on. I have been doing this since 2014. I will just scroll a couple of pages to show you. It's just loading, just a minute. Two 2018, 2017, 2016, and so on. I can show you this kind of my results. That's not the thing you all want to be here. Why I'm showing all this is this whatever the business model which I'm telling, it is working, so that you understand it is working since 2014. It is still working today as well. You can also start this kind of business. The problem is there is so much of free information out there which overwhelms you. If you go and search on YouTube for selling products on Amazon, you will find hundreds and hundreds of videos and hundreds of different strategies. You will not know what is the right strategy and what works and what does not work in India. The lack of clarity will put you in the vague cloud. You will not be able to take an action. The number two problem is the shiny object syndrome. You will find one opportunity today, and tomorrow you will find some other opportunity that will be that will look better than this, and we will keep on jumping from one idea to the other. I was like this in 2014, and there is no proper system to follow along and implement these things. I was like this in 2014. Then I found a course solution, which is an online course. It is called Amazing Selling Machine. I got into Amazon Selling Machine in 2014. Since then, I have been part of that community. I'm getting updates from them. Similarly, I have created a 8 module course, which is a mentorship program, which I will talk about in the upcoming slide. Few of my students, I will show you results. It is not only I am getting the results, but I have taught the same exact procedures and strategies to the other students as well. Some of them got tremendous results, and one of them is Manas, he's from Pune. He got a tremendous result, and his name is Ankit. He's doing 1 lakh rupee profit from his third month onwards. Every month he's making over 1 lakh rupees profit. And recently he joined my one of my training. His name is Sumit from Kanpur. He has doubled his sales from his previous month's sales. And after this corona thing, the Amazon has shut down his, it is in lockdown period, so it has gone down. This was his initial sale, and it has actually increased and doubled. And his name is Punit. His profits also were doubled every single month after taking my training program. And this training program is anyone who wanted to build the brand from scratch, or people who are already selling on Amazon. I can help with both the thing. Why on Amazon? Why we want to sell on Amazon? Because Amazon sales is growing uh, more and more each and every year since 2004. Everywhere their sales is growing like crazy. It is not slowing down. It is keeping on increasing. It is not even it is not that Amazon did 232 billion sales in 2018. The entire e-commerce sales is around $3 trillion, and it is growing 23% every year. But Amazon's sales is only 5% of the overall market, and it has more room to grow. That means Amazon has more potential to grow in this space. It is just scratching the surface. Moreover, Amazon has the largest fulfillment network in the world, with an estimate of 200 fulfillment centers worldwide, and it is growing. By utilizing this massive traffic from Amazon and utilizing their infrastructure and their fulfillment centers, we can capture these potential things, and we can build our own brand. Why selling on Amazon is the perfect business model? Because it can be started and operated from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a laptop. You can do this business anywhere, from anywhere in the world. I will show you the business model in the upcoming slides. It is the real business that focuses on time proven principles and strategies. We are doing a real business. This business model has been there since thousand years, and it is going to be there for 1,000 more years to come. Like selling products, buying it from a lesser price and selling it for a profit. It is a basic business principle. That is what we are using in this business model as well. And it is a and this business does not require any technical skill. Anybody can do it. I am not a tech person. I come from a travel industry background. You don't need to be a technical person in order to run this business. These are all the three important factors. The put this business model as a perfect business model to start with. How this business model works? There are four basic components to this business model. One is you, the next one is your supplier, and the third one is your customer. And in the center, Amazon. You select a product which is already selling well, and it has a low competition, and it has a huge volume of sales in that particular product. We will create a brand around it, and we will contact a supplier, and we will ask him to manufacture it and send the goods to Amazon's warehouse. Then customer place the order from Amazon.in. Rest everything is taken care by Amazon, from storing your product, collecting payments from customers, customer fulfillment, handling returns, and customer service, sending payment to you, marketing via paid ads, retargeting, and SEO. All these things, the major heavy lifting is done by Amazon. All you have to do is find a good product and make it in your own brand. Find a supplier, ask him to make it, and send it to Amazon's warehouse. Rest everything is taken care by Amazon. And now till now we have come to know how to start a business on Amazon, and why Amazon is the best place to get started. And now let me tell you how I got into this business. In 2005, I have finished my travel and tourism degree. I joined a travel company called Thomas Cook. I started in Nungambakam, Chennai. Within 6 months, I was promoted as a branch in charge. I worked in Madurai and in Coimbatore. As like everyone, my job started squeezing out my time. Then I thought, why to work for some other company? Why don't I build my own business and create my own business? Then I started a cafe in Besant Nagar, Chennai, and another one multi cuisine restaurant in Chennai, and couple of more businesses. Before I could realize, I was in debt of about 50 lakhs, and I have kept all my wife's jewelry in a lending pawnbroker. I still remember this in 2014 February, my daughter's birthday. I don't even have money to buy her new clothes and gifts. That is when I felt really bad, felt like worthless husband and a father. That's when I decided to change the way I do business, and I luckily found this opportunity on Amazon in 2014 end. I launched my first product on Amazon in 21st of February 2015. From then, I never looked back. In the year in the first year, I did a turnover of around 50 lakhs and 7,000 rupees, 416. In the upcoming year, I did about 1.23 crores, and in the recent year, I have done over 3.64 crores. Now I do a lot of travel. I spend time with my friends and family. I currently live in Paris. I'm not telling all this to brag. I just wanted to give this back to this community. I want to help all the husbands and fathers like me who want to support their family genuinely. That is the reason I have created this mentorship program called Brand Building Blueprint. How this mentorship works? This mentorship has 8 modules, over 100 plus videos. You will get instant access once you sign up. Now you will get instant access to the welcome module. It is not like other courses where you will watch video, you will do things on your own. This is like a mentorship program where I will guide you throughout the process. I will give you 2 modules every week for you to watch the videos and implement the strategies outlined on those videos. Then we will have a live call every week. If you have any questions or if you have any difficulties in implementing, I can guide you on how to get those things done. I will be supporting you until you launch your first product or up to 6 months. You will have access to all these video lessons lifetime. You don't need to worry about whether you have to watch this within those weeks, or you will have access once these modules have been opened to you. You will have access to those video lessons for lifetime. So I just have 2 questions for you. One is, if not now, then when are you going to start it? And if not from me, then whom are you going to learn from these things? Since I have been in this business in 6 years, and India, I know most of these things that is happening in Indian Amazon marketplace. So and one more thing, and this is not for everyone. I just have 20 spots for this upcoming month. I want only serious people who are serious about their financial freedom, not some dabblers. I will close this page once we hit 20 signups. So please act fast. Click the button below. Sign up today. If you have any questions, you will find a chat button at the end of this page. If you click that chat button, you can ask me questions on my WhatsApp. So now I quickly run through the 8 modules, what we will cover in those 8 modules. Here is what you learn in module 1. Welcome to module 1, winning product criteria, tools to speed up the process, finding your first product, checking your product viability, creating your product idea list, calculating gross margin, narrowing down your list, action steps for module 1. In module 2, welcome to module 2, understand Amazon's fees, product tuning, simple product sourcing, creating a professional online presence, importance of building a relationship with your supplier, finding and contacting supplier with proven templates, finding and contacting suppliers outside India, finding and contacting suppliers in India, true cost and your best supplier, freight costs and calculating financial true costs, final true cost, or ordering samples for your top product idea. Action step for module 2. In module 3, welcome to module 3. The samples have arrived. Now what? Choosing the best supplier and getting the highest profit margin, the brand name creation process, creating your brand logo, purchasing your UPC, quick product listing, designing your product packaging, automatic list building with packaging insert, how much inventory you should order, shipping process, domestic and import, placing your first inventory order. After you place your order, action step for module 3. In module 4, creating your brand real estate, creating your brand Facebook page, creating importance of Facebook Messenger, important setting inside ManyChat, important features of ManyChat, building lists on ManyChat, finding your target audience, creating Facebook ads to build ManyChat list, Facebook ads and ManyChat dashboard walkthrough, reviews on autopilot process, reviews on autopilot ManyChat flow, creating your brand website, publishing content on social media. Action steps for module 4. In module 5, welcome to module 5, how to craft the perfect Amazon listing, strategic keyword research for top Amazon ranking, building your keyword list, creating a buyer grabbing product title, bullet points that sell and differentiate, product image that attracts and converts, product pricing for profit, launch versus normal pricing, creating your complete listing, automated customer emails, taking advantage of waiting time. Action steps for module 5. In module 6, welcome to module 6, your first FBA shipment walkthrough, the Amazon launch process, prioritizing keywords for launch, introduction to Amazon sponsored product ads, structuring campaigns for success, setting up your PPC campaigns, getting your initial sales and reviews, creating Amazon promotion codes, creating Amazon URL for keyword targeting, distribute promotion codes to subscriber list, Facebook ads percentage of promotion campaign, tracking the data to make informed decision, introduction to optimizing PPC during launch, optimizing price against rank and sales, sustaining rank profitably, running out of inventory, reordering and relaunching. Action steps for module 6. In module 7, welcome to module 7, Facebook Messenger policy changes and sponsored messages, the raving fan customer service system, optimizing Amazon ads for overall profit, Amazon coupons, Amazon lightning deals, Amazon promotions, the power of product variations, when to launch your next product, choosing your second product to launch, launching your second product, using a performance checklist. Action step for module 7. Module 8, taking your business to the next level, new strategies and having a growth mindset, the importance of brand registry, the power of brand analytics, using Google Ads to get subscribers and sales, dominating Amazon with YouTube ads, working with influencers to launch products and drive sales, using Instagram to boost traffic, sales and reviews, dealing with hijackers. Action step for module 8. And you will learn much more. Since my time is limited, I only take 20 people per month for this mentorship program. So please click the button below to sign up now before the page is taken down. I will see you inside. Bye.